ChatGPT is wonderful when it comes to asking for step-by-step directions when you're trying to figure something out at home. Let's say you're having a problem with your car or an appliance or some electrical gremlin in your house. ChatGPT is fantastic because not only can you ask it a question, but you can explain a situation, it will ask you questions, and then you can continue to troubleshoot with it as if you had a person actually helping you. So if I say, my freezer stopped making ice, you'll see ChatGPT will say, let's troubleshoot that together. It's going to tell me what to do, like checking the basics to make sure the freezer is on and that the temperature is set, that the ice maker switch is on, to check the water supply line, things of that sort. And I can actually tell it my results of these tests. So it says when to call for service, but it also says if you tell me your freezer brand and model, I can give you step-by-step checks to show where the test button and water filter are located. So let's say I don't actually know the model. I can say I have an LG but don't know the model, right? And now it'll say this is the most common troubleshooting sort of procedure for LG freezers. It will then give these LG specific answers, and it will tell me if it doesn't respond to the test, it's probably mechanical or a water valve issue. Now I can go through and it asks me, would you like to describe where the ice maker is located? If you tell me that, I can show you exactly where the reset button is and what it should look like on your model. I can also say something like, I put my hand in it and the air is freezing cold. Why isn't, and you know what, I'll just erase that and I'll just say I put my hand in it and the air is freezing cold. And so it's saying that's actually a great sign. It means the freezer is cooling properly. So the problem is most likely with water flow or the ice maker mechanism, not the cooling system itself. So now it's narrowing down. So whenever you need to troubleshoot something in your house or you have a question, whether that be about how to use your iPhone or something's going on with your television or an appliance, you can ask ChatGPT and have a back and forth conversation with it. And this should be a huge help to you to solve a lot of issues you might have thought you need a professional for when you can just go back and forth. ChatGPT will tell you exactly what to do step by step. And if you ever need even more detail, then you can ask. Let me show you one last example. Here it says step 1, check if there's water in the ice tray. It says open the ice maker and look at the tray where the cubes form. If there's no water in the tray after several hours, the freezer isn't getting water. If there's frozen water stuck in the tray, the ice maker isn't ejecting cubes properly. Well, now I can say, where is the tray that I should check in step 1? And so now it'll explain exactly where that tray will be based on the different configurations it knows about of LG freezers. So you can ask as many questions as you want. There are never any stupid questions with ChatGPT, and it will do its best to use the resources on the internet to tell you exactly what steps to follow and hopefully help solve your problems at home.